Welcome. If you've ever found yourself squinting at your Telegram messages or just want to make your chats easier to read, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to change the message text size on Telegram, step by step, so you can customize your chat experience to fit your needs. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once the app is open, look at the very top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on that to open the main menu. Next, from the menu options, find and tap on Settings. This will take you to a screen where you can adjust various aspects of your Telegram experience. Now scroll down until you see Chat Settings. Tap on this option to open up the chat customization features. Inside Chat Settings, you'll notice a section labeled Message Text Size. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a slider that lets you increase or decrease the size of the text in your messages. Simply drag the slider to the right if you want larger text, or to the left if you prefer smaller text. As you adjust the slider, you'll see a preview of what your new message size will look like, making it easy to choose the perfect setting for your eyes. Once you're happy with the size, there's no need to save or confirm. Telegram applies your changes automatically. Just exit the settings, and your new text size will be in effect across all your chats. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can make your Telegram messages as big or as small as you like, making your chats more comfortable and enjoyable to read. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might need a little help customizing their Telegram app. Thanks for watching and enjoy your improved Telegram experience.